Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached Windhoek, the capital of Namibia, at 6:30 a.m. local time today. He arrived there after an overnight journey from Brasilia. Namibia is the final stop of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's five-nation foreign tour. During this visit, he will meet President Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah. He will also pay tribute to Namibia's first president, Dr. Sam Nujoma, and address the Namibian parliament. Important talks will be held between India and Namibia on strategic cooperation in energy, health, and mineral resources. Before leaving the Namibia, Prime Minister Narendra Modi completed his visit to Brazil. In Brasilia, he was welcomed with the traditional Shiv Tandav Sutra and Brazilian samba beats, symbolizing the cultural connection between India and Brazil. 6 major agreements have been signed between India and Brazil. These include cooperation against terrorism, pharmaceutical sector, agricultural research, energy security, intellectual property, and sharing of confidential information. Both countries have also agreed on a trade target of $20 billion in the next 5 years. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Lula da Silva strongly condemned the Pahalgam terror attack and expressed solidarity against terrorism. Both leaders reiterated the need for reforms in the United Nations Security Council and spoke about promoting cooperation among the Global South. After the BRICS summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held comprehensive bilateral talks with Brazil to deepen the strategic partnership. The discussion focused especially on cooperation in defense, energy, space, agriculture, technology, and health sectors. Brazil has honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the highest civilian award, Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross. The award was given to him for strengthening India-Brazil relations and increasing cooperation on a global platform. It's important to note that this is the first state visit of Brazil by the Indian Prime Minister in 57 years. Prime Minister Narendra Modi sought Brazil's support for the expansion of the India-Mercosur trade agreement. Mercosur is a South American trade bloc that includes Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay, and Paraguay. After the successful completion for the Brazil tour, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is now focused on strengthening India's role in Namibia. Through this visit, India is moving towards giving a new dimension to its diplomatic, economic, and strategic reach in Africa.